So next question I have from the pre-asked questions is from Richard, who asked Brendan, step-by-step logistics from supplier to FBA, warehouse ready to sell customers, including who and when the labels need to be applied. Okay, so you get the product from the factory in China, you get them to put the labels on it, and then you ship it directly from Amazon. Now you have two choices. Option one is you send it to someone in America to just double check everything's okay and that it's packed correctly per Amazon specifications, and then send it directly to America, or directly to the warehouse in China. I'll start again. You send it to America, receive it there in another third-party warehouse. I have one in New Jersey, which I do, and then you get that, and then you ship that onto the FBA Warehouse. And the next step, of course, is Amazon lists it and sells it for you. Now, some people will ship it directly from China to the Amazon warehouse. You can do that. My recommendation is you get them to do the labeling, you check it, but you do that the second or third time, not the first time, just because if Amazon receive it and nothing's, you have to change something, it's going to be very, very hard for you to do it in America or Australia than over there. And that's the logistical process. If you want to get the labels, you don't know how that works, of course, our members have a training on labels. If you don't have access to that training, then you just go to your Seller Central account, and Amazon give you the labels, which you stick on your products, and then it's covered for Amazon, and they're happy with that. Okay,